Hey guys, Dave here at Dent Repair Now. Today we got an 18 Audi A3 large shopping cart dent in the right front door, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. You got an impact point right here and this massive buckle. It's about a 20-inch dent, so we're going to show you guys how this one comes out in a little bit. So we're partway through our repair here, and I just wanted to check in. We've done some glue pulling so far to move the major big damage, and I'm just going to show you where we're at. From here out, we'll use push tools to finish this up. Initial impact point we still have to work out. Got our buckle up here, the top of our buckle, and another little impact point here. Still got a buckle in here and a pretty decent buckle down here. We'll work that all out with hammers and blending and push out the impact points from where the shopping cart hit, and we'll show you guys what a finished product looks like. Hey guys, Dave here, back with this Audi repair. Just wanted to show you guys how it come out.
For a free estimate, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.